Hello, in this video I will show you how to change the font size in Sid Meier's Civilization VII. So, the first step of the operation, if you're in the main menu, just find the options on the main drop down here. And if you're in the game, just press escape and the options will be in the menu there. So we press options. Now we have to find the accessibility page. And the fourth option is the font scale. Here you press with the mouse button to get the drop down menu and pick whatever suits you. I want my font scale to be extra small. Now we press confirm changes to save them, and that's it. Okay, so we're done for this video. If you considered it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.